People in Puerto Rico preparing for Tropical Storm Ernesto, as forecasters warn it could reach hurricane strength today. Puerto Rico could see up to 10 inches of rain in some places. So Greg Fields with us right now, tracking Ernesto. And, you know, Greg, how quickly is this storm moving?
Yeah, it is moving along at a pretty good clip. It's going to be moving away from Puerto Rico and the British Virgin Islands as we go through the day. But let's zoom in on that area. You mentioned the torrential rains. We're going to pick up upwards of 10 inches of rain in Puerto Rico there, the British Virgin Islands, maybe upwards of 6. And you can see that onshore flow, so they're going to have to deal with that storm surge flooding as well. And the center of circulation, you see it's going to be northwest of Puerto Rico right now. So as we put the particulars on there for you, the wind's 70 miles per hour, so it is getting close to hurricane strength. And those winds gusting to 85, moving northwest at 16. So it's moving on at a pretty decent clip. 85 miles right now, roughly north and northwest of San Juan there in Puerto Rico. So it's going to continue on that northwesterly track and then making a northerly turn and strengthening more, taking dead aim on Bermuda later this week, heading into the upcoming weekend, perhaps as a Category 3 hurricane, a very strong 2, maybe Category 3 hurricane when it moves over Bermuda as we head into the weekend, finally moving on away as it gets into the northern Atlantic over the weekend. So we'll be keeping an eye on what is still Tropical Storm Ernesto, but it will be a hurricane likely a little bit later on today. So we'll continue to monitor that over the next few days. Here at home, we're going to monitor the heat. That's what we do have to deal with. Taking you out to Love Field, 83 degrees. That heat index right now is 89. So we do have the warm temperatures trying to get below 80 degrees, but not going to get much below that at all in most locations before we start to heat up all around the region here for today. So that ridge of high pressure firmly in control still across North Texas. There's the heat advisory that we have here, and you see those heat alerts extending all the way a little farther east and north, even some excessive heat warnings as we get up into portions of northeast Oklahoma there, hitting into portions of Arkansas, but going all the way down to the coast as well, out toward New Orleans and Jackson, Mississippi, still looking at the heat advisories, and those will even extend a little farther east, Florida as well, the east coast of Florida, looking at the heat advisories for today as well. So yes, it is going to stay hot for us, and that is not going to change for us as we go through the next few days. Those upper 90s for Austin, San Antonio, along with Oklahoma City heading out into the Panhandle today. So it is going to be hot, not record-breaking heat across North Texas, pretty typical for this time of year in August. And again, that's not going to change over the next few days, right through the end of this week, heading on into the upcoming weekend. Those temperatures are going to stay hot, and unfortunately, things getting pretty dry. Look at that big donut across Texas there with all the rain staying well toward north. So we'll have to wait a while before that ridge breaks down, and we'll start to talk about some real rain chances across North Texas. Right now, though, they're going to be pretty slim to none over the next few days. Here's that 14-day forecast for you through the end of the week. Gets a little bit hotter for us as we get into Thursday and Friday. We're talking about temperatures up around 103, maybe 104 to 105 Sunday, heading into Monday of next week, and then more triple-digit heat for the latter half of next week as well, coming down slightly with those temperatures by the end of next weekend. All right, Stacia, over to you.
All right, thanks, Greg.